Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we're going to discuss a new software that is available in the UAE and KSA for Noon platform. And today we are going to have session with Ms. Tara. She is the co-founder of Sell Screen Software that they have recently announced, and it's all 100% operational in the UAE and KSA for Noon sellers. So this software I already tested, so it's giving us good results as well. So if you are a new seller or you are existing seller planning to launch your products on Noon, then this software is going to help you a lot. So over to Dara, she will tell us about the software and then jump over to the software itself. Over to you, Dara.
Okay, great. Hello, everyone. Thank you very much for the kind introduction. Let me show my screen and we will start. Yeah, so we started right before the COVID, and we started from the seller market, then we decided to go into enterprise model. So now our clients is one of the largest companies, such as Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson, L'Oreal, etc. I've been in e-commerce for 11 years. I used to live in China for 11 years as well. And 6 years I used to work inside the marketplace. What actually our tool can help sellers on Noon marketplace? First of all, is product research, product hunt, because it's a key thing to understand what exactly needs to be sold in the marketplace, and what products you need to add to your to your product listing. Another thing is SEO. SEO is search engine optimization. This is kind of a tool which not many sellers are using in Noon, but many sellers know how to work with on Amazon. We, I guess, bring value in this thing. And the last thing is, of course, key KPIs and competitive analysis. If you're saying, like, for the big companies, is like very standard procedure to control the listings, placement, prices, out of stock rate, etc. So for many new beginners, sometimes is the thing they need to learn. How we help sellers to to understand what's going on in the marketplace. First, they track all the products on marketplaces. Let me show my screen. So now you can see my browser, and Sell Screen actually available for like few marketplaces in the MENA region. One of them is Noon UAE. So here we can see like more than 3 million products. So this is the products which actually we monitor every day. So we get the public data, and based on the public data, they make assumptions on like sales and revenues. And also get all of the other information such as listings, keywords, prices, availability, etc. Let me continue with my presentation. Yeah, we help discover best potential products, best sellers. We also can help to validate your ideas. For example, sometimes they're thinking like, if I should go to this niche or not, and the best thing to understand this is actually look at the data, because unfortunately for many niches in Noon, the market is not that big, so you actually need to be very thoughtful on how you make your product matrix. And also, like you can look at the like on the marketplace other products and actually create compelling products which converts, because sometimes for each marketplace there are different type of customers, and also like different kind of content you need to provide to different kind of customers. How we start product research is usually we started with understanding what kind of strategy you want to use. First strategy is trending products. One of the example of trending products is like spinners. It was popular a few years ago. This is like a toy for kids. It's not licensed toy, which is good, but the issue is like that it was very popular for some time. Lots of sellers who actually understand this trend, they make a fortune from that. But unfortunately, the trendy products, they are not having like their long lifetime. So in like specific time, they're popular, and after then it's very tricky because like it's hard to manage the stocks once it's not popular anymore. Another type of products is actually seasonal products. Very fortunately for MENA region and for UAE especially, it's like seasonal trends does not really have big influence because like we're pretty much wearing the same clothes, but still there are like seasonals. Seasonals, like trends such as like Christmas, which is still, like here seasonal trend as, like eat and, like and people can buy specific products for that. So this is the thing you also need to consider. And also, like this is type of products, which is also could be very successful on marketplaces. And the last part is, of course, basic products. So basic products is the products which has the most of competitors, but of course also has like long lifetime in, and it also has like very difficult to get like a good margin for like basic products. So basically, sometimes we trying to get with new basic products, like products for basic use, for everyday use, but like of course it should be like strategic products as well, but not shouldn't be only completely tracked. So how we actually look at the products with sales screen. First, of course, is category. So then the open category list, you can see here all the categories from the marketplace. You also can, get the data from the period you want. We started to get data from the August. So basically we have now 3 months of data. And here you can see there, we choose 1 month from October 18th to September 18th. We can see here product categories listed, sorted by GMV. You can sort it by other criteria as well. And the largest category in marketplace Nouman is actually beauty and health. You can see here the total revenue for the category. You also can see the dynamic to the previous period, and you also can see actual percentage of the dynamic. Then you get the number of sales. Sales is like number of basically orders that happened on the marketplace. Average bill is actually a very important thing because it's also comes like the question of actual product pricing. For example, let me click on here. Here we can see also number of brands, number of merchants, and price distribution. So what is price distribution? It's like we have here like the prices for the products, the number of products, and the actual GMV, actual revenue that products bring. So we can see here that the most of the sellers actually sell in the range up to 100 euros, which is like more than 200,000 of products, and the revenue for this segment of price is only 15 million. But there are another segment which is 100 to 200, and here we can see like the more less competition. It's like still a lot of competition, but it's 120 products, 120,000 products, and we can see here 23 million. So basically this niche is making more money with less number of products. So maybe if you're in this niche, you can look for the like certain categories, not only like health and beauty in general, but like more specific, and choose the actual niche you want to be inside. Also, like, you can see the different segments is also different, like different amount of money. So it's a good thing to consider at least. Another thing we have here also percentage of products with sales. So definitely, like, books has like one of the highest percentage. We can see here average number of sales and average stock. Average stock we consider per each seller, like for each merchant. Another great tool for like search the actual niche is products. So here we have like all the 3,600,000 product listed, and here's like the number of very flexible filters you can play with. First, of course, it's category. So you basically make like some idea. You have some idea what you want to sell. You want to sell beauty products. I don't know. Maybe you want to sell kitchen products. You can actually like choose the products you want to sell. So here you can see like all the products for this category, kitchen. I can see still here like lots of products. So to make like it's more precise, you actually can unclick this category and click the other category. So basically, every category you click, you add the products from the category. Let's go in, like, for example, kitchen and dining, patio garden, storage and organization, furniture, big home decor, and household supplies. I choose like the categories which probably may have like less number of products, but still a lot of products, and maybe like less expensive, like products. And what else we can have? It's else we can add additional filter. For example, for the price. So we're gonna look at the products with the maximum price of 150 dirhams. So here we can see like the first is actually set is cutting set. Let's check that product. And if you wanna choose like see how other cutting sets are feeling, yes, cuttings. So you can actually put the title, and you can see here pretty much, like number of cutting sets. It's actually only 166 products. Basically, you may even like put another name like knife sets, or like whatever. It's like just to understand, like what's the products I actually want to sell, and you can see here like how much money each one make. What's the price? The price basically is the key thing, price, and actually if you actually have market for this. I would say the market is not that big, but still this product is killing it. This products is kind of same. I guess it's 5 piece, it's 4 piece, but they make way more less money. The good thing is like I can see like only same kind of products is only few products, and like all other selling products is actually different products. Yeah. So maybe there is the room for another cutting set, but let's see in the product. Where is it? Yeah, let's go inside the product and see what information we can get from here. First, of course, is content. As you see, like the better selling product has like a different design of the picture, and like it has like so basically you can compare the content. You also can see like who else is selling this set and for what prices. If you want to check all the sales, like the products of each competitor, you can just like go inside the products and again choose like that seller. And seller is like actually doing great, I guess. For Noon is a very impressive thing. So you also can learn what kind of products they sell and like for what prices. So you may copy the product strategy. And let's go back. So here you can see also like the number of stock they have. Stock inventory is very key thing because once you have stock, you have actual sales. For example, here we can see like stock of free and like basically no sales. Once they add up the stock, like it's like sales increase. I don't know like what you guys suggest to beginners, but usually maybe for beginners it's easier to put stock on the marketplace warehouse. Yeah, and also we also can see here like additional keywords which they used to list the products. Oh, it's actually a category called Cutler. So you need definitely cutters. You need to definitely check out this category. This product, it's not the best-selling products in only on 122nd place, which is basically like we get in the application, like listing. So, but would say if it was PC version, it was like basically second page. Yeah. So and what else? No reviews data. Yeah. So it's no, it's same. It's same. Yeah. So basically, you can see here basic information, and the key thing for you should be, to be honest, price, revenue, /number of sales, and the average stock. So you really can understand like what kind of stocks your competitors prepare and what kind of sales they have. Okay, great. Let's get back to my presentation. This is like very short introduction on what strategy could be on product hunting. Of course, there could be like different strategies. One of my favorite thing is Elsa just took a look what kind of products were created from like certain period of time. For example, let's put here from 10. I'm sorry. 10, like from October 1st, right? So October 1st, 2022. And you can see here all the new products. It's only 200,000 products added like for the previous 15 days. And you can see like what kind of product and what kind of sales they have. So for example, like for this product, aluminum cooker, it's like they added product on September 4th, but they still have like a sizable amount of revenue generated from the beginning. So for previous 18 days, and we almost 40,000 dirhams. And also you can see like all the other products, like for example, already Halloween products are here. Yeah, Halloween. Yeah. And just scrolling this thing usually gives you a lot of idea of what to sell. So let's check what else our product can do. It's actually SEO optimization. And for the SEO, we usually do this thing. First, we define our competitors. Second, we create semantic core, basically the list of the keywords we can use for the SEO optimization, and then they fix our content. Of course, the question is like what the parts of the content exists by Noon. I can't say for like 100% because I don't have confirmed information from from the training from Noon. But what we see from our research is 100% title, and I guess it has like one of the most like vague in SEO optimization. Second is overview. Specification is also indexed. Of course, I put here inventory, but inventory is not the actual like numbers indexed, but it's also like the logic is if you have stock, marketplace want to show you. If you don't have a stock or you have like very little number of stock, marketplace don't want to show you products because the logic is the marketplace gives you traffic and you actually can provide the stock. So what's the point? And reviews is like a very interesting thing. So you actually can take a look on your competitors' reviews, or you can if you have like friends who buy your products, ask them to add additional reviews. And for reviews, it's a great thing. You also can use the slang. You also can use all the all the like name in which you can use in the description or specification. So let me check. Like the first product we see is actually iPhone. So let's check this let's check this product. Yeah. So we can see here almost 900 keywords which are indexed by product. So if they are selling, let's say, iPhone cases, we can use this list of the keywords. Or if, for example, they like I don't know sell maybe airports. So this is like how to say, like the words which not often could be used for SEO optimization, but these words are used by customers, so you actually can use them and maybe add some additional traffic for you. For example, you can identify your competitors by visiting earphones. If, let's say, you are selling earphones, yeah, so you can identify your competitors because among all of these sponsors product, you have like actually organically listed products, and you can see who else are selling on marketplace. Like they see this product, which is the seller, they can copy that link and also put it into product list. Give me a sec. The filters. Yeah. So here's the product. Actually, you can see also like all the information, but now we are focused on the search engine optimization. So we actually gonna look at the keywords which this product use. So here different number of keywords, like 700. You can download all the keywords. All of your exports is actually in the export. Yes, in the export. So we're gonna see it. So you basically you can check all the different competitors. Different competitors usually search by different like keywords. So you can download for yourself if you list all the keywords. Usually it's like it could be like 1,000 or like maybe 2,000 keywords. You can choose the most critical for you. And the most critical for you, you need to usually put in your title and in your description. Also you can use like not that, not the often used keywords. You also need to put them in maybe your specification or else a description. Specification usually quite, to be honest, important and sensitive for each marketplace. So then you have like any kind of very successful competitor, I would suggest to check how they fill their specification, because mostly marketplace search agents, they are based on this kind of specification, and they get the information from there the most easiest way. So it's just it's not connected with our tool, but just put attention on this and basically try to copy successful models, and you also can check if you are actually indexed by like new keywords from here. Yep. I guess very shortly for search optimization, that's all. And let's go to check the full key metrics. So if you're beginner or you already existing sellers, there are few key metrics you better to monitor on a daily basis, because this is how you can also differentiate yourself from your competitors. And once you have this kind of discipline, like to go and check like over and over again, you also could get a lot of insights for yourself, and you could like start to work with like all the analytics tools very easily. Let me check. Yeah, so let's get back from for this product, just an example. I don't suggest to sell iPhones. Yeah, so if, for example, you sell iPhones, you have, first of all, it's going to be like different type of competitors who actually sell in your products, and competitors who are selling like products similar to yours. Competitors who sell in your product is usually listed here, and you can see like all the competitors, all the stores. As I mentioned, you need to go to the product and check each of them for this product. But here you can see like the basic numbers of stock and the prices they sell in this. Important thing is first is check how they perform in terms of their revenue and the sales, because sometimes then they have like some kind of seasonal changes, or like we see that our product's not selling well. They definitely need to understand, is it like only your product's issue, or it's actually the market issue. The other thing is check on like pricing strategy of your key competitors, because once your competitors don't have stock, you actually can put price higher. And if your competitors put in price lower, maybe it makes sense to also lower the price to get more sales. Of course, it's important to check on the stocks, but put attention, not all of the sellers actually have them stocks on the marketplace. Some of the sellers have the stocks on their marketplace, so the numbers that shows actually just numbers and doesn't actually have proven stocks. Here in the product chart, you can play with many variables. For example, you can see how the position in the different, in the different categories. Oh my gosh, this product, iPhone, listed in granola oil and granola, etc. Everywhere is a phone. Yeah, so, and different, like keywords. So actually you can see how the position for the like in certain categories of certain keywords affect the sales. Or like if they change description in the at images, what kind of, that didn't change much though. They just not here. Yeah, so what impact it has to them, to their like they sales. Here sales, they have content. Content is about, like very simple criteria. Usually most of the sellers are easy to meet these criteria. It's like to have a title with, like length more than 5 words, like have a description, like normal size description, have number of specifications, but sometimes new sellers, they don't put much attention to the content. So it's basically once you don't fill your description, specifications, and title, you don't add enough, like keywords. You don't add enough keywords. People actually can find your product, so it's like your sales are not going well. Interesting. We don't hear it here. And here we also have version of description. So if they modify the description, change something, we will also show you how to change it, because sometimes it's very important for SEO optimization. I guess another important thing is actually availability of stock and lost revenue. So basically when they have, like here we have availability of 88% of time, which is not good. But also you can look at the, like in your industry, in your category, if it's normal or not, and benchmark yourself against that standards. Yeah, so I guess this is it. We would love to provide 5 days of trial with promo code DigiXcommerce 70 is also as well, because we're giving 70% discount for their tool. We also provide a link which will add this promo code, so you don't need to add it again. Yeah, so price of the tool is 165 dirhams with the promo code. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us via WhatsApp. We always have our support there. They're working during Dubai time, so feel free to contact us. We also answer on the weekends, but sometimes it could be slight delay. And also, if you can find their contact button, it's always at the bottom of the page, and then you also inside the tool right here. Let me show you. Yep. So here we go. Yep. So thank you very much for your attention, and have great sales, I guess. Yep.
Thank you so much, Dara, for this lovely presentation, and I hope people, they will use this tool to get more sales. And for new sellers, I think this is the best tool I ever seen for Noon platform. Before, there was no tool available for Noon platform. I came across many queries about it, like that, is there any tool available for this platform? Because we've been using tools for Amazon. They are doing great. They help us to get product hunting. And the best part in this tool is that it's also helping us for SEO as well. So it's nice, and I'm already using the software, and it's good. Also, I will make another video on this feedback, and I'll share with my viewer as well. So once again, thank you so much, and also thanks for the discount you gave me, for a 70% discount to all the new members.
Great. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.